fantastic. A standing ovation to this stunning and spectacular performance, ladies and gentlemen. And a grand salute to Vande Mataram. Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. This truly was India in motion. A visual poem of sound and color. A tribute to our heritage, our unity and our pride. इसलिए कहते हैं भारत एक सुर, one India, one rhythm, ladies and gentlemen. एक जोरदार तालियां फिर से spectacular performance के लिए.
What a wonderful performance that was. The troupe that just performed has also composed the song Bharat Ek Sur. Let's put our hands together, everyone, for such a spectacular performance by the artists.
Fantastic. And now can I please request the dignitaries to please come forward for the official flag off of the opening parade. The moment that we all have been waiting for. Requesting our dignitaries to please join us on stage as we flag off the opening parade. As the flag rises today, ladies and gentlemen, it symbolizes not just commencement of IFFI, but a flag off to the spirit of creativity and cinematic excellence that India proudly shares with the world.
What a historic moment, flagging off of the grand IFFI parade that marks the start of the 56th edition of the International Film Festival of India. The world is watching. India is taking pride in its culture, in its cinema, as IFFI kicks off in a very different avatar, a new avatar, unlike what we have seen in the last several decades.
Fantastic. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, IFFI officially begins! Come on, everyone! Let the stories unfold, let dreams take flight, and let the world witness the magic of cinema like never before. And now, while I rush inside for the opening film, over to my friend Munmun.
Thank you, Karan. So let's get started with the parade. First up is Trivedi Kala Sangh from our very own Goa. This one shows the culture of Goa. And the second one, closely following it, is Alexino da Silva from Goa. It shows the Carnival of Goa. We request all the dignitaries to please be seated and watch as the parade moves in its grandeur right in front of our eyes. What you are going to see is Goan Rom Tamil. It is a traditional Goan folk performance usually seen during the Shigmo festival in the month of March. This one is going to be accompanied by rhythmic beats of instruments like dhol, tasha, kasali and others. It celebrates Goan culture, community spirit and festive joy. Goa Reds, roll it out. Goan culture and artists we are going to witness in their full splendor. The first float, the first tableau. Goa leading all the way from the front. Let's move forward, Goa. Please keep moving fast. Let's keep moving ahead. Let's keep moving fast. No floats waiting. IFFI parade is well and truly on. Leading the way is Goa with its cultural performance and its floats. The floats show its culture as well as its carnival. The Goan folk performance is what we saw. More floats coming up. Let's catch momentum. Let's move fast. This one celebrating the Goan Film Festival. Goa leading the way, hogging the limelight for now. Let's keep moving fast ahead. More floats lined up. They're all waiting. The magic of Indian culture and India's cinema is right in front of our eyes. Photographs of iconic films right in front of our eyes. What a celebration of Goan cinema, of Indian cinema, of Goan culture, all put together in this leading float. So many facets of Goan culture and Goan cinema, all on display right in front of our eyes. Goan floats, Goan cultural performances, entertaining all of us, enthralling us. Goa leading the way. Goa, keep moving forward. IFFI parade is well and truly on. What a remarkable way to begin the International Film Festival of India in Goa. Goan culture, Goan carnival, leading the way in the IFFI parade. फिल्म डुओ जो पिछले 13 सालों से इंडिया को धमाकेदार एक्शन, ड्रामा और कॉमेडी से एंटरटेन कर रहे हैं। इनकी दोस्ती और नॉन स्टॉप मस्ती ने बनाया है इन्हें सबकी फेवरेट जोड़ी। मोटू पतलू and Mintu. Let's welcome Mintu Bahanebaaz from Big Boss और House Shabab। जो हमेशा मुश्किल से बचने के लिए स्मार्ट और फन के स्कीमर्स ढूंढ ही लेता है। पास कमी और सरप्राइजेस से कोई भरोसा नहीं, स्मार्ट कर देता है मिंटू। It is rooted and crafted with a grand cinematic vision, reuniting God of Masses Nandamuri Balakrishna and director Boyapati Srinu after a hat-trick of blockbusters. The film amplifies the mythic intensity and spiritual power that made history etc. a cultural moment. Let's put our hands together for Akhand 2. Akhand 2 rolling right in front of our eyes by Nandamuri Balakrishna. Along with song and dance from the first Konkani film that came out in 1963, Amchem Noxit. Ladies and gentlemen, see how horror films are acted and shown live right in front of you. The ghost and horror scenes being depicted in this float from Goa. Goa showing to us how horror scenes are depicted. Horror and ghost scenes being played out right in front of our eyes in the Iffy parade. What a concept! the depiction of horror films and ghost films. Let's keep moving forward, one float after the other. The IFFI parade carries on. Let's move ahead, ladies and gentlemen. Let's allow the parade to move fast. Goan culture and cinema and carnival in all its splendor. Let's keep moving. More states to follow. Let's keep moving fast. The next tableau is titled Yo Say Haryana. Designed in the form of a giant cinema camera, this float symbolizes Haryana's lens to the world, capturing its heritage, its art, and its modern creative energy through the spirit of films. Let's welcome Haryana on the stage. Haryana's culture, art, heritage, cinema being represented in the IFFI parade. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Haryana for you. Non-stop filmy Haryana rolling right in front of our eyes. A representation of culture and cinema of the various states of India. There's Goa and now there is Haryana. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you are enjoying the IFFI parade. Up next is NFDC, 50 years of nurturing Indian cinema, preserving heritage and inspiring the future right in front of your eyes. मसालेदार और मासी फिल्मों के बाद अब बारी है कुछ क्लासी देखने की। हम आपके सामने ला रहे हैं NFDC के 50 सालों की गौरव गाथा। ये वह सफर है जिसने भारतीय सिनेमा को नई सोच, नई दिशा और नई पहचान दी है। NFDC ने देश की हर भाषा में न्यू वेव सिनेमा को आगे बढ़ाने में बड़ा योगदान दिया है और आज जब NFDC, NMIC, NFAI, CFI और FD जैसे संस्थानों को अपने साथ जोड़कर एक नया अध्याय शुरू कर रहा है तो ये कहानी और भी खास बन जाती है। इस पूरे रथ का क्यूरेशन किया है सत्यजीत मंडले जी ने और बहुत ही बढ़िया और दमदार कला और प्रोडक्शन डिजाइन किया है महेंद्र पोतदार जी ने। चलिए भारतीय सिनेमा की इस खूबसूरत यात्रा के साथ मिलकर देखते हैं। This tableau pays homage to filmmakers, technicians and artists who contributed to Indian cinema. This one shows NFDC's continuous efforts to promote creative excellence globally. This one is Aris D. Silva from Goa. This one has a shooting scene from a Konkani film where you will see how older people used to live in Goa. This is a Goan traditional film. Ladies and gentlemen, Goa is back with us once again. We hope everyone is enjoying the IFFI parade, one float after the other. So much culture, so much cinema. With the stamp of various states right on them. Yes, this is to make an announcement that the opening film of the 56th IFFI, The Blue Trail, has started on opening film of 56th IFFI, The Blue Train. Next is Bombale Movie Makers. Bombale Films is one of India's leading production houses known for creating powerful and larger-than-life stories that are rooted in culture and emotion. Today's tableau celebrates Karnataka and its rich cinematic heritage that has reached different parts of the world. Bombale Films right in front of your eyes. Storytelling like no one else. The iconic Guru Dutt, ladies and gentlemen, as we mark his 100th birth anniversary, please welcome the tableau that celebrates a century of the genius. Guru Dutt, the filmmaker who became a feeling, by Ultra Entertainment. Ultra Entertainment is honoring Guru Dutt. A legend. That's not all. This is another note from Ultra Entertainment. This one shows Ultra's digital evolution from a legacy content powerhouse to a modern digital entertainment company. It features the launch of multiple OTT platforms catering to regional and Hindi audiences, covering films and music. Ultra Entertainment with 2 floats right in front of our eyes. Experience the soul of this land on the big screen. Platoon One Films, India's leading independent film studio, steps into the vibrant world of Odia cinema with its newest presentation, Bindu Sagar. The film will release in cinemas across the world in early 2026, becoming the first Odia film to have a global theatrical release. Maitri Movie Makers is up next, celebrating 10 impactful years of Maitri Movie Makers, one of the most happening production houses in the country today. Over the next 5 years, Maitri plans to roll out 50 films. Maitri plans to roll out 50 films with top stars and top directors and unmatched vision in Indian cinema. For over 3 decades now, once again brings in front of you cinema in all its mediums. We have theatre, we have television screen and OTT. It has a larger-than-life concept, Pata poster, Nikla hero. Your audiences get to see their favorite stars in their blockbuster character. Leading production houses of India coming out with their floats. The IFFI parade is well and truly on, with iconic faces that we can all relate with. cultivating methods. Let's remember the Annadata. Let's give space to more floats. Let's not lose momentum. The IFFI parade, well and truly on. Indian culture being represented in its myriad forms, in the forms of folk dances, in the form of cinema from different corners of the country. This float presents Andhra Pradesh's thriving film industry, Tollywood. Let's keep moving forward fast. The floats, please keep moving forward. Let's do it with some momentum, some quickness, speed. Let's keep moving forward. Allow the floats to move forward. Please clear the way. Allow the floats to move forward. Look at the excitement. Everyone is riveted to the places where they are, but we have to allow the floats to move forward. The IFFI parade carries on. Let's not stop on the way. Let's allow the floats to move on. Ladies and gentlemen, we can understand everyone is totally enthralled. The participants, the viewers, everyone. move to Auditorium 1 in Inox to watch the opening film, The Blue Trail. Cultural heritage. It offers stunning landscapes and vibrant tourism, making it a popular destination for visitors. From scenic beaches Ladies and gentlemen, are you enjoying the magic of Tollywood? The dances, the dialogues, the depictions on the float. Your very favorite stars from Tollywood on the red carpet as the float moves on. What a celebration of Indian culture and cinema this has been. History being written, IFFI, the International Film Festival of India, taking off with a historic parade. Let's give them all a round of applause. What a wonderful, spectacular performance by various floats. The IFFI parade is still on. More floats are expected anytime now. We know you are waiting with bated breath to see some more colors of India. This one is from Tollywood. You can see Andhra Pradesh's rich cultural heritage.